Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video we are going to make an alarm clock. So guys, for making an alarm clock we have to import two modules. First one is date time module. So I've written import date time, and next is play sound. Okay guys, from play sound import play, just a second guys, play sound. Okay guys, and now we will take input from the user. So guys, first we will take R as the input. So we will take input in integer form. Input, enter. So guys, we will write which R do you want to wake. Okay guys, and similarly we will also ask for minute. So it will be like int input which minute do you want to wake. Okay guys, and next will be, is it morning or evening? So guys, Python understand AM and PM, so we will take that only in the input. So I created a variable, and I will, this time guys we will take input in string form. So input is it AM or PM. Okay guys, and guys, Python understand AM and PM in lowercase. If user gave AM or PM in capital letters, then it will show error. So what we are going to do, we will create one more variable and store its lower value. So for that I am creating AM PM. This time A is in lowercase, and we will store its lower case value in this. So it is like this. Okay guys, I hope you have understood this. Now guys, what we are going to do, we are going to change the time into 24 hours format. And to change the time in 24 hours format, we have to change the PM hours, basically guys we have to add 12 in the PM hours. So for that we will use if statement. If AM PM is equals to PM, just a second guys, PM, and now guys I'll write okay guys. So what we are going to do is we will add and assign 12 in our variable. Okay guys, so guys here in this program we are going to run a voice, and suppose guys I want to use that voice for let's suppose 5 times. So for that I will create a variable I first, and I have assigned it value 1. And now guys I will run a while loop. Okay guys, while I less than equals to 5. And now guys, using if statement we will check if the time inputted by the user is equal to the current time. So for that we will check first our variable, and here I will write date time dot date time dot now. Okay guys, and then I'll write dot r as we want the r. and I'll use and keyword, and after that I'll also check for minute, date, time, dot, date, time, dot, now, and here I'll write dot minute. Okay guys, and after that using colon we will give statements. If the if statement is true, then what should the program do? So guys, first I am going to print a statement. Here I will write, guys, wake up, and I will write the time also. So guys, I have to use here f string, and I will write here wake up, it's, and then guys I'll use curly braces. First I'll write r, guys, first I will write r, and after that colon, and again a curly brace, and here I'll write minute. Okay guys, and then guys we will play a sound. So guys, for playing sound we will use play sound module, and in parenthesis we will give the path of the audio which we want to play. So guys, I have downloaded an audio, so let me copy its path. This is the audio, guys. Here is the copy path option. So let's paste this, guys. So I will type Control V, and guys audio path is here. Now guys we will change these slashes because we know what these slashes mean to Python. So guys, it's done. But guys, this is for a present condition, or guys we haven't changed the value of I. So what it will do is I value of I will be 1, and it will bring us a continuous loop. So guys, to break that or to run our program 5 times, I will add and assign 1 to I, so that our program runs for 5 times, guys. And now guys, we will print a final statement that will run after the while loop is completed. So let me use here, guys, good morning. Okay guys, so let's try to run this. So guys, in my clock it is 7:16 a.m. so I'll write here 7, and we will check for 17 minute and am. So let's see, guys. Okay guys, it is showing me error. Oh, so I made an error in name. It's here, it is date time. Okay guys, so let me run this again. I'll use here 07, then 17, then it is am. Is it 7:17 now? So guys, you can see that the alarm clock rang for five times, and this print statement also printed 5 times. So guys, the program is complete, and this was the alarm clock guys. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.